Okay, hello. So post market analysis. To be fair, yeah, I can wait until PM session starts. PM session hasn't even started yet. I feel like we're gonna see some bearish prices for PM session because first of all we've just been flying. We've just been flying since we finally taken out. Not even finally, but yeah, we've taken out like the previous, well, one of last week's highs. We took out this and we saw SMT divergence to the downside and we still kept going up. And then we took this out as well. With Nasdaq, I'm looking to take us. Oh, I'm not even looking to take a sell anymore. But I saw this coming in it. I actually did take a sell with S&P actually, not with Nasdaq, where I shouldn't really have taken it if I'm honest with you, because it was here. We didn't really see a market structure break first and foremost, but I did see that Judas swing high take out buy side liquidity with SMT that went to the downside. However, I just didn't anticipate us having us being able to kind of make another impulse to the upside while still maintaining that divergence. So we have still maintained that divergence. 50-minute order block, 1 hour order block 2 with Nasdaq here, which is basically why we're rejecting now. So that SMT is still holding with that Judas swing as well. But yeah, like really, essentially, we just had it's quite shit price action, but it's the start of the year, man. Now it's genuinely the first Monday of the year, so it's like this is very much expected. To be fair, I should really be sitting in my hands right now. I shouldn't really be taking a trade. But again, I'm just experimenting. This first month, I'm just gonna be live trading on my personal account. I'm not live trading on any of my funders or anything like that. Just live trading on my personal account. But I did take a 1% L with S&P today by taking a sell. Really and truly, I don't think I should have taken that sell because I didn't see that market structure break. But I was referring to Nasdaq when I'm seeing this. Do you know what I'm trying to say? I'm referring to Nasdaq. I'm seeing this. I'm thinking Judas swing high. We're above both midnight and New York opening price. And then we had that correction to the downside, but we actually mitigated, as said here, we've actually mitigated a 30-minute order block here, and that's why we kept on going up. But I'm still happy to see that we didn't reject, or we didn't disrespect this SMT. Like, this SMT is still being held. We can come back up here for the PM session and go down again, but I don't really trade PM session. That's a bit confusing to me, man. I'll be real with y'all. It's a bit confusing to me, but there's another opportunity in it. Like, you can trade, you can take a sell here in a PM session, hopefully, maybe. But that's the only thing that I'd like to see. I feel like I was a bit too excited, man. Like I was moving a bit too excited getting into New York session. I was literally waiting for like that 1 minute, because as I'm back testing now, I'm missing a lot of trades because the price isn't going back to my entry. Like, simply because of that, I'm getting a bias correct almost 90% of the time. Price just isn't going back to my entry, and that's why I keep on missing trades. So I guess today I was like, nah, I don't want it to be like them back testing sessions, and I want to be able to take this sell as soon as momentum starts going. But of course, the market just does you anyhow, innit? It was literally off of there. I think I took one sell here. I even took 2 sells here, to be fair. I took 2 sells. So hypothetically, it would have been a 2% L. But I took 2 different positions around the same area. And then, lost them. But all good, man. Is what it is, part of the game, reality of trading. Get used to it. If you haven't experienced it before, you're going to experience it, trust me. But yeah, just get used to it. And keep on going, keep on collecting more and more data. Man. Essentially that's it. I'm still like, there's no reason for me to think that I'd like price to go higher, especially if we're holding this divergence here as well. So I'm still expecting some lower prices, maybe for the whole of this year, depending on how it goes. So, but yeah, man. That was today's price action. We'll chill. We'll wait for tomorrow. And yeah, man. 1